Chapter 1: Nutritional Status and Primary Healthcare. Food. Food is a basic necessity. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. It is usually of plant or animal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. Foods are made up mostly of biochemicals which are mainly derived from living sources such as plants and animals. There are three main groups of constituents in foods: carbohydrates, protein, and fats, and derivatives of these. The essential substances contributed by our food are called nutrients. If these nutrients are not present in our food in sufficient amounts, the result is ill health and, in some cases, even death. Food also contains many substances, which are non-nutrients, example, coloring, and flavoring substances in food. Food is therefore a complex mixture of different nutrients and non-nutrients. Functions of food. Food consists of various nutrients. These nutrients can be classified into 5 major categories: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Food also has social and psychological functions in addition to physiological ones. Physiological functions. The physiological functions performed by food are the energy-giving, body-building, protective, and regulatory functions. The energy-giving function of food is basically performed by 2 nutrient categories: carbohydrates and fats. This is why these nutrients are also referred to as the body fuels. Food is also needed for growth and repair. For both growth and repair, proteins are necessary. The other major physiological functions performed by food are the protective and regulatory functions. Let us talk about the meaning of the term protective first. Here, protective refers to the role in preventing infection by ensuring proper functioning of the body systems responsible for fighting infections. The regulatory function mentioned earlier refers to the role of food in controlling body processes. Several processes take place in the body, such as the beating of the heart, maintenance of body temperature, and contraction of muscles. Each of these processes is controlled. This is achieved by certain specific nutrients and is illustrative of their regulatory function. Vitamins, minerals, and proteins contribute substantially to both protective and regulatory functions. So does water. Social functions. Food and eating has significant social meaning. Sharing food with any other person implies social acceptance. When you share a meal with anyone else, you are expressing your acceptance of friendship and respect for that person. Food is an integral part of festivity anywhere in the world. Joyous occasions such as birth of a child or a marriage are celebrated by having feasts and serving delicacies. Food also has a specific significance and meaning in the religious context. Certain food items such as fruits, sweets, and coconuts are offered to the deity in temples. Often sweets are prepared at temples and gurudwaras and distributed to devotees as a benediction or prasad. Food thus becomes an integral part of the social and religious life of people. Psychological function. We all have emotional needs such as the need for security, love, and attention. Food is one way through which these needs are satisfied. Food is also closely allied to our emotions. Food often serves as a reward. On the other hand, certain foods become associated with sickness such as khichdi, a rice dal porridge. This type of food is generally eaten when a person suffers from fever and may, therefore, not be associated with pleasant feelings.